Hi, I'm Dr. Paul with Chiropractic Personal Injury Workshops, and we support chiropractors with marketing and training to help chiropractors with personal injury cases to help increase their profit margins. And one of the categories that we teach within our chiropractic PI workshops is impairment ratings. And we teach, number one, what the difference is between an impairment rating versus a disability. We teach how to use the AMA guides to impairment. What's a little bit different, or actually a lot different in what we do, is we focus on chiropractic problems. So we don't cover all the problems that chiropractors will never see and waste a lot of time covering so many areas of the book that are totally irrelevant to chiropractors. So we teach what 80% of the chiropractors see, and so it's a real practical standpoint. And then we also teach how to give impairment ratings based on those injuries, and then the top 5 impairment ratings and how to use impairment ratings. And it's impairment ratings are used to quantify an injury, take an injury and quantify it into a number, and then translate that number into a financial settlement. That's the purpose of the AMA guides. And so that's exactly what we do, is we teach you how to do that. So for more information on chiropractic training and personal injury training, just go to chiropracticpiworkshops.com.